Introducing Theravent Advanced Nightly Snore Therapy. Theravent is a lightweight, breathable anti-snoring product that will change the way you and your partner sleep. Theravent is clinically proven and is FDA cleared to reduce or eliminate snoring. Unlike other solutions, Theravent uses your own breathing to target the real source of snoring, vibration in your airway. Snoring starts when the muscles that surround your throat relax during sleep. Your airway narrows, and the air you breathe in moves more quickly. This triggers vibration in the tissues of the throat, the noise we hear as snoring. Here is how Theravent works. Theravent uses microvalve technology to target and treat snoring. It opens up your throat, allowing you to breathe easier and quiet snoring. As you breathe in through Theravent, the microvalves open. Then, as you breathe out, the microvalves partially close, slowing down your exhale and creating positive pressure in your throat. This pressure opens up your throat and quiets the vibrations that cause snoring. Theravent is available without a prescription at